How's it going, everyone? Back at some Lottery scratch offs, back by popular demand. The last video we did is doing absolutely phenomenal. In fact, better than I could ever imagine. So we're back with $80 worth of tickets. We have one $30, the 30 million cash explosion. We have two the $20 100x cash, the $2 million winner, or 47 million cash in prizes. We'll see about that. This one has our little white line on the bottom. You can see for the naysayers, I just ripped it in half, but this one does not have it, and this one does have it. That doesn't guarantee you're going to win, but I think it really helps. Some people are telling me, oh, you got to buy number 24. We don't have number 24. We got 58, 8, 7, and 12. So let's see. Let's start off, first of all, with this $10 ticket. I have a little scratching board here. And let's hit our winning numbers. 18, 6, 24, 26, 10, and 3. And I hope you guys see that right. Probably need to move the lights a little bit, but then it glares, so, you know, can't always win. So let me see. 12, no. 19, no. 20, no. 39, no. 33, no. 11, no. 23, no. And I messed up. I forgot that I actually won on this on the last time. I shouldn't have bought this, but you never know. A ton of people's bought tickets since then. I forgot to check the number on it. 31, no. 25, no. 21, no. 35, no. 5, no. Nope. Nope. Not looking good, is it? And 34, no. That is 100% it on that bad boy. And just a reminder, don't ever buy these you think you're going to win. Chances are you won't win. So if you're down to your last few bucks and you're gambling on a scratch house going to pull you through, I can pretty much guarantee you it's not. 21, 2, 26, 38, 15, 11, 1, and 34. And this is the $20 ticket. So you can see right there. This one's number 8. Number 8, so a new roll. We got 7 and 8 both out of this. Whoop, scratching a little too low. 14, no. 30, no. Let's see what the rules are. So we get 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x, or 100x. We need a couple 100x's on here, I believe. 9, no. 31, no. 40, no. 25, no. 36, no. 23. 7. Whole bunch of nothing so far. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. Nothing but a bunch of dust from scratching that off. Save the $30 one for last. We'll scratch this other $20 one here. I'm thinking now maybe I just should have bought a bunch of $20 ones. I don't know. You never know with this kind of stuff. There's no guarantee on it. All right, 8, 9, 37, 29, 2, 34, 6, and 31. Nope. 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 Not looking good. 5, no. 4, no. 36, no. 17, 33, 18, 16. Looking pretty grim. 26, down the very last one. 13. Big fat loser on that one. So yeah, got the little shaft on that one for sure. All right, last but not least, our $30 ticket. This is a $300 million cash explosion. And let's see here. 50, 39, 46, 35, 13, 36, 38, 14, 27, and 30. We're solely relying on one $30 ticket to pull us out of this, but who knows. 54, no. 8, hell no. 9, oh. Oh. So on the back it says, watch any of your winning numbers to any winning number, match any, and reveal a 0, win the prize automatically. Reveal 2x times 2x. Look, my fingers getting all black already. 2x, 10x, star, or the cash. 57, 24, 52, 17, 32, 55, 11, 60, 29, 47, 28, 16, 5, my phone's going off. Actually, that's the computer going off. And the phone's going off, even though I put it on silent. That's awesome. 18. Oh, just keep going off, why don't you? All right. One more time, gonna go off? Nope. So 18, 12, 59, yeah. Let's keep going here. All right. Look at sidetrack. I missed one. 31, 59. No, no. 22, 19, 33. Hell no. 48, 23, 25, 45, and 4. Is it going to be a free ticket? I don't know. Let's see. Yep. Well, there You have that. Got crumbs everywhere. So we spent $80 and won $30. So see more reason when this video is over, guys. In the end screen, I'll put a link to my last video. It's getting mega views. Check that video out. Support the cause. We'll go buy more tickets. Thanks for watching.